Good morning, students. Today, we shall start with the writing section of our syllabus, and the first part of the syllabus is note making. I will explain to you first what is note making. So, let us see what is notes making. Notes are short written records of facts. Whatever you listen, you hear, you see, you have to take down points because you cannot remember everything what you have read, what you have seen, or what you have heard. So, taking down of certain important points is called note making. So, this helps us to keep in mind whatever speech we have heard or whatever we have seen. Notes are usually taken to record a speech or dictation, whatever you get from someone else when you have attended a meeting, and you have to keep in mind what was told in the meeting. So you have to record the points. Or some of your teacher may be discussing some important lesson, and you have to note down the important points. So for all these type of things, we make notes. While listening it or after reading a book, magazine or article, we have to take down certain points which are important or which are very necessary for us because our memories cannot store everything. They are referred back when you need them again. After some days, some months, you can just simply open your diary and whatever you have noted down, you can revisit your diary and remember them or take in mind. Whenever needed and may be reproduced in the derived way. So, notes are very important. Why it is necessary to make notes? Next point, why it is necessary? First of all, you have seen what is note making. Now we will see why it is important. Knowledge is vast and unlimited. You know, there are millions and millions of books, articles, magazines, and you meet people, you listen to their speeches, but your memory is very small and you may not be able to remember everything that has happened. So, note making is very important, very necessary. Our memory is limited. I already told you our memory is limited. We cannot remember all the information all the time. Every time we cannot remember that what that person, that great person had told many years back. So we make a list or we take down important points, and hence note making is necessary. With the help of notes, we can recall the entire information read or heard months ago. So this is why note making is necessary, because we have to remember something or some important points what were told months or days ago. We can recall the entire information read or heard months ago. It is quite useful to students preparing for many subjects at the time of examination. So note making is also very important for students who are appearing for some examinations, like very soon you will be appearing for your CBSE board exam. So you are at a time reading many subjects. So note making will help you to keep in mind all the things that you have read, and just day before the examination, you can turn out your copies and have a glance at the important points that you have noted down for all the subjects like physics, chemistry, biology, English, etc. So that's why note making is very important. It is not possible to go through volumes of books. Yes, during examination, you have many books to be read and finished, but that is not possible within few hours. So, at this time, note making becomes very important. At such critical times, notes are quite handy. Hence, note making fulfills three useful functions. That's why note making is very important for examination time. You just go and open your notes and you will see that the important points are noted in your copies, and you just have a glance and you can read it. It keeps a lot of information at our disposal for ready reference. Few points may help you to recollect the entire chapter. So, it helps us construct what was said or written and thus accelerates the process of remembering. So, the next point is, it will help you to remember or reconstruct the entire chapter with few words that you have already written in your notebook. It comes in handy in delivering a speech, participation in a debate, discussion, writing an essay, and revising lessons before an examination. So, if you are asked to deliver a speech, you cannot have a bundle of papers with you. You just note down the important points that you want to give in your speech, and then this type of note making will help you to deliver the speech properly. Then, if you are participating in some debate, here also note making will help you to remind all the important points of the debate and also during the examination. How can note be helpful to us? Now the next point is, how can note be helpful to us? While making notes, we do not simply read the passage or listen to speech, but consider the various points made by the writer, speaker, and draw our own inference about what is being presented. So, while we are listening to the speech or taking some dictation, or when the teacher is teaching us in the class, we don't consider various points that are important points, the various important points made by the writer, speaker, and draw our own reference. Draw our own reference means as we understand, we write the points. We don't take the understanding of others and note down the points. We note down the points according to our understanding. So, the writer, speaker, and draw our own inference. Draw our own inference means we take our own notes by remembering them in our own way about what is being presented. While making notes, be sure you don't share it with others or copy it from others. So, what happens? Somebody has prepared a note and you just borrow it and you start learning those notes. But this is not done in a note making. You have to prepare your own notes, because how you have understood it is more important. How you have understood the matter and according to that you should make the notes. If you feel that this point is important, then you do it according to your understanding and don't copy it from others. Because notes are made according to personal understanding. This is very important. As you have understood, you have to make the notes. Thus, note making helps us in understanding the passage in a better way and organizing our own thoughts systematically. As you have understood, you have to make the notes. Never depend on other notes. Now, what are the characters of a good note? Short and compact. It should be very short and compact, not a very lengthy pages after pages. Complete information, it gives you a complete information. It should be logical and understandable. Whatever you have noted down, you should understand. Now, mechanics of note making. First of all, you have to give a heading and subheading. This is very important. You have to give a heading for your notes. Abbreviation and symbols. What are abbreviations? Abbreviations mean short forms of a long word. Then symbols. You can use therefore, because, that is, in between. Numbering and indentation. Heading and subheading. What are heading and subheading? The heading reflects the main theme, whereas the subheading points out how it has been developed. The selection of proper heading and subheading reveals the grasp of the passage by the student. In the absence of proper assimilation of main ideas and subsidiary point, it is impossible to make notes. So you have to put headings and subheadings according to the notes. Abbreviations and symbols, they are used for precision and economy of words. Why do we use short forms and symbols? So that we can make the note shorter and hence quite helpful in note making. At least 4 recognizable abbreviations are to be used in a note making. When you get in the exam to make a note, they will ask you to give some short forms that you have used and make a column, and you have to write whatever short forms you have used for those words, like USA. USA is short form of United States of America. These are essential components of note making. Students often make use of abbreviations and symbols and in doing their writing. So most of the time you use symbols and abbreviations for your notes. Students often make use of abbreviations and symbols in doing their writing work. Often you do it in your copies also. So what are the basic symbols? You know most of them. You know what are the symbols. I'll give you some examples. Examples: and, for, and. This is the symbol for and. This is the symbol for therefore. Abbreviation: CBSE, for Central Board of Secondary Education. USA for United States of America. Now, these are the abbreviations and short forms. Now, we will see notes. Confusing abbreviation should be avoided. Example, the abbreviation under may stand for understand, understood, understanding. So, you should not use such confusing short forms like under, because it can stand for so many words like understand, understood and understanding. Note form. While making notes, the whole information is listed in a note form in points only. Notes should not be written in complete sentences. You should not write complete big sentences for note making. As we can't remember the whole information, so only one under the other and numbered. These points can be also numbered. Now, conclusion. Note making is a useful skill. Why it is important? Let us see why it is important. Note making is a useful skill. You must develop it. Constant practice will make you a very good note maker. Notes form an essential part of your academic life. Generally, students ask for the notes from their teachers, but you should always make your own notes. That is more important, because you will understand your own notes better than the notes given to you from any other sources or from any other person. This will help you in the board examinations also. Okay, now I hope you have understood what is note making. There will be a question of 5 marks in your board examination paper, where you will be given a passage. You read the passage, you note down the important points of the passage, and you have to write the summary of the passage, where they will ask you to give at least 5 abbreviations and 5 symbols, and also they will ask you to make some important points. So, in this way, you can, in your examination, make a note, and in your homework, I will give you some passages to make notes and summaries. So, I hope you have followed. Thank you.